Hello, fellow Chartists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Chartist, and right now I am recording this video in Columbus, Ohio. I am in the Midwest. Okay, 1 hour back from my usual time. I'm usually living on the East Coast in Rhode Island, but I'm not an island boy. Okay, anyways, that was really corny. We had a very great day in the stock market today. Okay, now like always, I'm gonna show you guys my Discord for, I guess, advertisement purposes, right? So today at 8:46 a.m., 470 is the price target as long as 465 hold. Now, obviously, we did not hit my price target. We got as high as 469.5 today, 0.57. So I was 43 cents short today. My bad, guys. I didn't hit the price target. Well, SPY didn't hit my price target. It happens sometimes, okay? But guess what? In situations like this, where I come up a little short, it turns into a swing trade. All right. Since yesterday, I've been telling my Discord, I'm pretty sure I've told you guys 465 was the equilibrium level. It was the buy level. All right. Every time SPY came down to 465, that is when y'all should have been looking to buy. You ever notice how retail traders, they want to go long at resistance but short at support? It's backwards. You're supposed to long at support and short at resistance. Okay, so 465 was the critical support level for us. I told many of my Discord members, and many of my Discord members trusted me. They got in and they made good money. And I hope you guys trusted me as well, because I don't want to let you guys down. It's very important to me, that you guys succeed and I give you guys the best info I give you. Because if not, it makes my brand look bad. So when you guys win, I win as well. Okay, so just because it didn't hit my price target today, I'm confident it will hit my price target on Friday. I think yesterday someone mentioned in their video, in one of my videos, they commented saying that today is usually a green day 70% and Friday is usually a green day 60% of the time. That is very true. That is very true. And actually yesterday at 3:07 p.m., I actually wrote that tomorrow's a green day 70% of the time for the last 50 years. And Friday, 60% green for the last 50 years. So we got that covered in my Discord, okay? So, yes, SPY did not hit my price target today, but I believe it will hit my price target on Friday, okay? And since the Santa Claus rally didn't start this week, because it's been choppy, all right, as you can see, I made a new pattern right here, because before the line started over here, and it was an ascending triangle, then we had the breakdown right here, okay? But now I see SPY closing above all moving averages. As you can see, the moving averages are still stacked on top of each other. Today, finally, SPY closed back above the 5-day moving average. It reclaimed it. It recaptured it. Okay? So now I am bullish to the upside because the charts are telling me it's bullish. The price action is telling me it is bullish. Okay? Don't hate on me. Hate on the price action. It's not my fault, guys. I'm just reporting this. Okay? So, if you bought at 465 like I told you guys, or around there, you guys should have had a profitable day. Even if it didn't hit my price target of 470, you still should have had a very profitable day. You guys can hold it and swing it, or just take profits. Take your money and run. We can always find a new entry for the next coming day. Excuse me, sorry about that. We can always find a new entry, okay? Now, I'm thinking, this is what I believe. We had a lot of tests at this resistant level. I'm thinking if we test it again, we're going to break it and finally hit my price target of 474. Okay, you guys heard it here first. I think we will break this resistant line as we're at 470.6. And we're going to go and test at least 474. Okay, the only way I would be bearish again is if we lose 465. I've told my Discord members, and I think I told you guys a lot of times, okay? If you guys have questions, but charters, it got a rejection here. But charters, it closed over here. Listen, the charter says this: 465, as long as it hold, I am going to be bullish to the upside. 470 price target and then 474. Keep it that simple. If we lose 465, I will be bearish to 463. Where bulls get a last chance for a bounce. And if they fail to get that, then we're going to sell all the way down to this level right here, to this blue level right here. We're on 459, 458, possibly lower to 457. And I think this is a very strong support level, and we're gonna get a bounce from there. And that's us if we lose 465. We are not going to assume that we're gonna lose 465. We're gonna wait for it to happen first before we even start talking about the bearish scenario. Okay, right now we have a bullish chart, we have bullish price action. Stop looking at the price. It's getting ridiculous, guys. The price goes down. I don't know if you guys got calls. The price go down, you get sad. The price go, you get happy. That's terrible. Okay, follow the price action. I know it's not easy. But it takes a lot of practice, and it's not impossible to get yourself to that level. Please. Anyways, as you can see by the price action, it was choppy. We had a choppy month in November, since November 5th all the way till now. It's building strength, guys. It's building a lot of strength. Okay, because remember, before that, I don't really use the RSI. Before all you RSI lovers, before that, the SPY was in overbought territory. You see why I don't put too much weight in the RSI? Let me make it bigger. It stayed in overbought territory for like how long? For like a whole month. A lot of retail traders that's not profitable, they see the RSI, oh, it's in overbought. It's time to short. But look at that. The whole time you guys wanted to short because the RSI was in overbought territory, the SPY just continued to move up. This is why I don't really use the RSI that much. Okay, I do use it from time to time, but not that much. I don't put too much weight in it because price action is number one. Price action is king. Okay, now for your RSI lovers, if it makes you feel better, SPY is not in overbought territory. We got this choppy November. November is about to end soon. Okay, and I think the seasonality, according to seasonality, you should see that Santa Claus rally around this time. Okay, guys, so stay objective, stay bullish. I'm gonna say it again. As long as 465 hold, bullish to the upside. Stop getting bearish when we hit support. Stop getting bullish when we hit resistance. I can't tell you how many times I've seen it. I've seen it so many times. As soon as SPY gets to a resistance level, that's when people looking to enter. Why didn't you guys enter at 465? Okay, guys, I'm not trying to diss anybody, but I need you guys to get to that level. I need you guys to get to that level so you can start making money. With or without me, it doesn't even matter at this point. I just want people to get the picture. You buy at support, you go long at support, and you go short at resistance. Okay? Now, I'm going to say this one more time. 470 price target. It could happen on Friday, and then we're going to go to my price target of 474. The only way I will not be bullish is if we lose 465. Is there any questions? There shouldn't be any questions at this point. Okay, let's take a look at the VIX. Look at the VIX. It broke out. It hit the support, the resistance level, not once but twice. Strong rejections, guys. Okay, strong rejections, and then it came all the way down. And what do you see right there? I know there's 4 minutes left, but what do you see right there? Go ahead, tell me. That is a false breakout. In 3 minutes and 50 seconds, VIX is going to close back in this triangle pattern. That is a false breakout. It don't matter if you agree with me or not. Because last time I spoke about a false breakout, somebody said they disagree with me. It don't matter if you agree with me. It don't matter if you disagree with me. This is facts, people. You look at it. A picture's worth 1,000 words. You're going to argue with the picture? Seriously. That's a false breakout. And what's a false breakout? Very bearish. A bearish VIX is what? A bullish SPY. You guys should be able to finish my sentences now. Okay, if you've been watching me long enough. All right, Thanksgiving tomorrow. I finally hit 900 subscribers, 901 subscribers. I'm so thankful. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. Okay, I give you guys some objective technical analysis. I'm not here to protect anybody's feelings. If you don't like me, you don't have to subscribe to me. You don't have to watch my video. But if you want the truth, price action, you know, the truth, I'll give it to you. And if you can handle the truth, subscribe to my channel. If you're not, if you are subscribed, hit the notification bell. Only 17% of people who subscribe to me hit the notification bell. Please hit the notification bell because my technical analysis are time sensitive. Okay, guys? So we got a bullish looking SPY and a bearish looking VIX. You guys should know by now what's gonna happen next. And if you don't know, here's a spoiler. 470 price target. We're gonna break this resistance line and go straight to 474. After 474, we could hit 478. Okay? If you didn't hear it from nobody else, you heard it from me. I don't care what the news is. I don't care what your feeling is. All right? 465 hold. Or if we lose it, that's when I'll be bearish. We ain't losing it. It's trading above all moving average again. Again, look at it. It's stacked on top of each other. And we have this ascending triangle right here. All right. Look at that false breakout. Look at that pressure, that long wick. Push it to the downside right off of that resistant level. Okay, I told you guys all this before the move even happened. So don't say I'm lucky. Don't say I'm just guessing. Oh, this guy's gambling. Trading is not gambling. And I'm going by price action. This is what being a chartist is all about. Knowing how to read charts. And I show you guys how to do it in every single video. Okay, guys? So trust in the chartist, because I will not lie to you. All right, moving on to Triple Q. Now, I had a 400 price target on Triple Q. All right, I told my members if 397 holds, we're going to get a price target of 400. Okay, the reason I say 400 is because that's what the 5 DMA is, the 5-day moving average. Okay, it closed above the 13-day moving average. It bounced off of our support level. I'm not talking about this orange line right here that I made today. I'll move that. Look at it. It's this blue line that I've been having since the beginning of November. All right, and it broke out here, came back to retest it not once but twice and passed, guys. Strong buying pressure came at this level, and now we close above the 13-day. All right, now we need the Triple Q to go at least test the 5-day moving averages at 400, and I feel like it's gonna break it. Okay, if you're questioning charters, which way you think we're gonna up? That's where I think we're gonna go. We're gonna go up. All right, we're gonna go test this 5-day moving average, and if we break it, we're gonna break this resistant line that's currently at 401, and we're gonna go back to the price target of 404. And if we break 404, we're gonna go up and test this resistant line again. Is at 410. There you go. You heard it here. Please, if you need to hear me say that again, just rewind the video. All right, don't get confused. I try to be as clear as I can. Okay, don't get no clearer than that. All right. Moving on to IWM. I told you guys about IWM since it broke down from 237. It was a triangle pattern here. All right, we had a triangle pattern here. It was like that or something. And we broke down, and I told you guys that I am bearish on it. Okay, I had a price target of 230, and it went all the way down. It went even further than my price target of 230 down to 228. Okay, I'm just going by the price action. I don't care what your what's it called, your personal beliefs or feelings are. I'm just going by the price action. I don't care. That's what I do. I do technical analysis based on the price action. And look what we got here. Not once, but 2 bounces off of this area around 228.5, 228.6. It didn't even touch the 5-day moving average, 50-day moving average. But as the price action go on, the moving average will move up, and it will look like it touched. Okay, so what do I feel right now? It looks like to me that we're gonna get a relief rally. Okay, that's what I think. We're gonna get some relief rally to the upside. I think we go and recapture this green that's now a resistant line. Okay, if you're wondering what the green line is, it was a resistant line for quite some time since March of this year. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. Broke out back in November 1st, came back to retest. It failed. Right now it's taking out the area of liquidity. If there was any stop losses under there, well, not no more. It's gone. Okay, so what I'm watching for is to get the recapture. If we continue to get rejections from there, we could see more downside all the way down to 226. Okay, I don't care if you agree with me. Okay, I'm just reporting the price action. I'm not putting my own personal feelings in it. Okay, I don't care. I'm just telling you what the charts are showing me. That's what a chartist does, and it's looking like we could get a relief rally to the upside. And of course, if we break 234 and get that breakout, We could possibly go to my price target that's all the way up at 257. All right, but until then, these are resistant levels, 232.4 and 234. Those are just resistant level. That's where you want to look to short. Okay, you don't short at support, which is around here support now, basically. You short at resistant levels. That's how you catch the nice big moves. Anyways, that's what I got for IWM. Moving on to the Dow Jones. I got Dow Jones. This, you see the support level? Okay. Now yesterday I said I'm bullish on the Dow Jones because it closed above the 5-day moving average. And what did the Dow Jones do? It made me look bad. It came down and opened around at 356. I had a critical support level 357. I told you guys yesterday, and I told my Discord members, above 357, 355, I am bullish. Below 355, I'm more bearish. And hey, it never broke 355 despite getting below this white support line right here. But hey, it closed back above it, and it's closing back above the 5-day moving average, which tells me that we are building bullish momentum. Okay, I don't see no wicks here. This is a nice green body candle, okay, which tells me we could see more upside. Okay, first price target will be 360, then 361. If we break 361, we can head up higher, and there's a big sign that we are headed into the 5th wave of this 5-wave Elliott wave move. Okay, you don't have to catch the move before it happens. So many people think I gotta catch the move before it happens to make money. You can also catch it on the way up. Okay, I got a price target of 370 for the Dow Jones. All right, it's looking like a lot of bullish momentum building. Moving on to RK. All right, now I haven't spoke about RK in a while, but somebody asked me to cover it. All right, one of a viewer that's been subscribed to me for quite some time. I remember you, Bullets for Breakfast. I hope you're watching. But here, not too long ago, I talked about the inverse head and shoulder. Okay, now this was covered on my Discord. Although many of my Discord members don't really trade RK, but I covered it anyways. And I said that 113.4 was very critical for the inverse head and shoulder. Okay, now if we lose that, I will be bearish. And look at that. That's a big move to the downside, and it got overstretched to the downside. Holy moly, look at that. It's below the lower Bollinger Band, and today got some buying pressure. Okay, so what do I think? I think that we're gonna get a relief rally. All right, at least to 109, and if we get back above 109, I think we can go test 113 again. Okay, but right now it looks like we're gonna get a relief rally, very similar to IWM. It's but even worse than IWM actually. This is stretched overextended to the downside. Today, not as overextended. It closed back into the low Bollinger Band. I think we're gonna get some buying pressure up to 109. If we get a rejection from the 5-day moving average, please, if you're using charts, add the 5-day moving average in your setup. If you're not using charts, please use some charts. Okay, otherwise you're just guessing. Okay, so if we get a rejection from there, that's a very bearish sign that we're going to see more downside. Okay, now all you RSI lovers, as you can see right there, is very oversold. Okay, so overextended to the downside, seeing some buying pressure though, and we're in oversold territory with it looking like it wants to climb back into the purple zone, so it don't have to be oversold no more. Okay guys, so I'm seeing some buying pressure. All right guys, so that is what I have for today. I'm gonna go and be with my family now. I'm gonna go enjoy being with my family. Happy Thanksgiving. I'm so thankful for you guys for being on this journey with me and trading with me, and the people that joined my Discord. I love you guys so much. You guys love my work so much that you joined my Discord. That makes me want to cry. I'm not gonna cry, but that makes me want to cry. I thank you guys so much. You guys are helping me make my dreams come true. I hope I don't let you down, and I will see you all soon.